Guys, how are you? I think you are doing well. So in this video I am going to show you how can you put one name in your Facebook account without using any attribute. So for this reason you have to use your main Facebook app. You can see here I am on my main Facebooks, and then you have to select here which account name you want to change or put one name. So I am simply want to put this account one name, so I selected this, and then you have to click here three dot line, and then you have to scroll down and you will can see here settings option. From settings option you will can see here meta account center. In your Facebook it can be bottom side, but here you can see top side on my Facebook. So you have to click here, then you will can see here profile, then you have to click here, and then again you have to click here, and you will can see here name. You can see here my two name. So from here you have to minimize it, and your Play Store. From Play Store you have to search here VPN LAT. So you can see here VPN LAT. So you have to simply install this VPN. You can see here I am installing this VPN. So after installing this VPN you have to simply you can see here I am opening it. So it's taking time because of some issue, network issue only. So you have to simply open it and you have to click continue. And then from here you have to select Indonesia. You can see here Indonesia, you have to select it, then you have to click here connect. You can see here connecting. So connecting, you have to minimize it and have to go again on Facebook. From Facebook you can see her name. From you can see her there your two names or my two names. So I simply clearing my last name, and if you want to change your first name you can change. You can see here you can change, but I am not going to change. And in last name you have to click space, and then you have to click here change review. Then you will can see here save change, then you will can see here your one name account has been created. So you can see here I will show you through proof. You can see here on my Facebook you can see here my name have been one named. So this is today's video. If you have any inquiry related to the video you can ask me in comment box, and also I provided my Facebook link in description. You also connect me in my Facebooks. Thank you.